Alright guys, so this is the Hamster Kombat and I'm going to show you how you can just connect your wallet. So come to the airdrop aspect here. So you can see my airdrop task or my Tone wallet here is connected to a particular wallet here. So as I tap on it, you can see that your Tone wallet is connected. So I will show you how you can connect yours to as well and show you how you can go by it too as well. So just stay tuned for this particular video as I'm taking you through. Any updates on the Hamster Combat 2 is just given here on daily basis, the daily combo, the daily income and the daily profit. So everything I just help you out here. How to decrypt it, I just show you how you can do, how you can go by the daily combo, solve it and get the cars too. I do that out here. So just subscribe to the channel as I'm taking you through here. So you can see here, as you tap on it, it will tell you to connect your wallet, of which you can choose any of these wallets to go by it. But in this particular video, I will show you two things. First of all, you can just connect your wallet with the Telegram bot tone. All right, the Telegram bot tone, because the person who just brought Telegram is the same person who also brought the Tone wallet. So you can connect it automatically with your Telegram, but then I prefer us downloading an app, a particular app or a wallet, which will help us do this particular task very easy. So once you tap on it, it will tell you to download any of the app, or you can go on and just open wallet in Telegram. But then let's go this with the particular app I'm about to show you. So all you have to do here is to just go to your app store and just download this particular, or your Play Store, and download this particular app called the Tone Keeper. All right, the Tone Keeper. So once it is downloaded, just click on the open. All right, so note this very well. Once you open the app, it is not going to tell you to just provide any email or phone address or anything. All what is going to ask you is to just provide a 4-digit pin. So this is not in my video because I can't just log out anymore. So I'm just giving this information out that once you open the Tone Keeper, it is going to tell you to provide 4-digit pin, of which this 4-digit pin is going to help you to just get access to the Tone Keeper anytime. So make sure you remember that 4-digit pin and then you are good to go. Once it is open like this, all you have to do here is to just click on this settings button here on the top right and the upper top right here, and just click on that and click on the backup. All right, click on the backup. Please click on the manual backup on and click on continue. Please enter your pin, because make sure you remember your pin all time. Please write these 24 things or phrases somewhere, or take note of it somewhere, because once you lost or once you forget about your pin, they will ask you any of this, and once you are able to give it out, we are going to come back to your savings or your wallet. But if you forget it, that means all what you saved here or what you get here will be lost forever. All right, so please write these things down or take note of it somewhere. All right, very important. So let's come back here, and all you have to do here is to just get it in this way, and you can see that it is automatically on your app. So go back to your Telegram or go back to your Hamster Combat and click on connect Tone wallet. Click on connect Tone wallet. That click on it once the application is downloaded. So all you have to do here is you can see that Tone Keeper is here. You can see the Tone Keeper. Click on the Tone Keeper and it's going to tell you to connect it, and then all you have to do here is to just enable this, because if you don't enable it, you are not going to get access to click on the connect. So enable it and just click on the connect wallet and enter your 4-digit pin that I said. Take note of that. So you can see that it is connecting and it is success out here. It has been. So your Tone wallet is connected. So make sure you get connected to your wallet here, else when they start with the listing, you are not going to receive your coin in any of the wallets. All right, so just connect it so that once it starts giving the listing or the Hamster Combat start giving out listing, you can get your money or you can get your coins in your account. All right, so this is the simplest way you can just connect your Airdrop wallet, or you can connect your Tone wallet. So make sure you just subscribe to the channel, like this particular video, and just share also with others. Turn on the notification, because each and every day I'm going to give you the daily cipher, the daily combo, and the daily rewards too as well. So just subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.